Okay, good morning, buenos dias. Welcome to second semester. Okay, if you're listening to this recording, that means you're not with us today in class. So at the top of your paper, I want you to write, ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? Remember, we don't pronounce the H's, so it's hace. ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? If you want to translate it, it means, what's the weather like today? If you want to translate literally, it means, what weather makes today? But we'd say, what's the weather like today? Okay, so here we go. We're doing weather conditions. First word for weather, el tiempo. El tiempo. Climate, put a star by it because it breaks the rule. It looks like a feminine word because it ends in an A, but it's actually a masculine word. El clima. El clima. And if I talk too fast throughout this video, hit pause anytime you need to. Okay, the next one. It is hot. To say it is hot, hace calor. Hace calor. If you go to a Spanish-speaking country and you use the bathroom sink, rather than H and C, for we have for hot and cold, they have C and F. Hot and then F for cold. So hace calor. Now you can build on this. You can say hace mucho calor. It's very hot. We say very. They say it makes a lot of hot. That hace means makes. So it makes hot. It is cold. Hace frío. Accent mark on the I. Hace frío. So if it's very cold, we say hace mucho frío. To say it is cool, hace fresco. Hace fresco. So if you're dining al fresco, that means you're dining where it's cool. You're getting the cool air. It's good weather. Hace buen tiempo. Hace buen tiempo. Good is bueno. You could say hace tiempo bueno. Okay, but since this is a masculine word, I can put in the front and I can drop the O. We'll get into that here pretty soon. Hace buen tiempo. It is bad weather. You can do that if you know hace buen tiempo, hace mal tiempo. Hace mal tiempo. If you want to say it's beautiful or pretty, hace bonito. Or you can say hace tiempo bonito, but it's beautiful or pretty, talking about the weather in parentheses, so hace bonito. Someday I want this to be my backyard. Hace bonito. I could live on a beach like that forever. Okay, it is sunny. Hace sol. Hace sol. Now let's talk about the nouns. To say sun, it's el sol. We did that when we did colors. ¿Qué color es el sol? What color is the sun? And moon is la luna. La luna. Think of a bear in the big blue house. His best friend's name was Luna, and she was a moon. If you haven't watched Big Bear in the Big Blue House, you're missing out, I guess. It is windy. Hace viento. Hace viento. It's cloudy. Notice I'm not putting hace here. Now I'm using está. Está nublado. Está nublado. And for a cloud, it's la nube. La nube. I cannot tell you why they don't use hace. They just don't. We have to accept it. And we move on. Okay, it is raining. The first word I want you to write, llueve. Llueve. Now, the second one, está lloviendo, I'm putting that in there because if you Google it is raining, that's what they're going to give you. They're going to give you a conditional tense that you are not going to learn in Spanish 1. So if you ever use está lloviendo, I know you're using Google. So it is raining, llueve. Llueve. Don't write está lloviendo. Just say the rain is la lluvia. La lluvia. It is snowing. Again, this está nevando is what Google would give you. You're not going to do that one, okay? You're going to use nieva. Nieva. It means two things. It means it is snowing and it snows. If I want to say snow, like the snow is on the ground, I want to use it as a noun, la nieve. La nieve. So you have a lot of words that are very similar, like nueve and nuevo. Now you have la nieve. It's lightning. Relampaguea. Relampaguea. If you're talking about the lightning flash, el relámpago. El relámpago. It is storming. Tempestia. Tempestia. That one word takes care of it. Tempestia. To say the storm, la tormenta. La tormenta. It is foggy. You already know what I means. I means there is or there are. So there is neblina, and that's talking about the form of clouds, which is fog. Hay neblina. So there is fog. Look at that piece of hail. That's huge. Es muy grande. It is hailing. Graniza. Graniza. Talk about sunrise. El salido del sol. A sunset is la puesta del sol. El salido del sol. La puesta del sol. Talk about a rainbow. El arco iris. El arco iris. The word for star. La estrella. Got two L's there. Make sure you make a Y sound. La estrella. A sky, we had that when we did the colors. El cielo. El cielo. Okay, let's do a quick review. Vamos a repasar. Do not write this stuff down. So if I see in your notes that you wrote this down, I know that you did not listen to this video. It is cold. Hace frío. It is very cold. Hace mucho frío. It is hot. Hace calor. It's very hot. Hace mucho calor. So we're using the word mucho. We're not using muy. It is cool. Hace fresco. It is bad weather. Hace mal tiempo. It is good weather. Hace buen tiempo. Okay, now we're going into our seasons, okay? So to say season is la estación. It's also another word for station, like a train station or a gas station. La estación. To make it plural, las estaciones. And notice that I dropped the accent mark on the estaciones. So I make it plural, the accent mark goes away. Okay, so we're going to do our 4 seasons. Here we go. Summer, el verano. El verano. Fall, el otoño. El otoño. My question is, do you call it fall or autumn? We're the only languages that has 2 words for fall. El otoño. Winter, el invierno. No me gusta el invierno. I don't like el invierno. No me gusta. Me gusta, I like, la primavera. La primavera. A lot of times you can go to Italian restaurants. They have pasta primavera, which is a spring salad. Okay, so here are your words for el tiempo. On YouTube, there are lots of videos on it, and we're going to cover these all in class. Adios.